I wake up to reality, a chore, running for the clock. I can't do it anymore. Is this the way that we live, or is this a lie? Found out the truth myself, just made me cry. I drift off to a world that's found only in dreams. I watch the clock stand still as time now follows me, just like a flower that blooms in the daylight. I watch the world go round as days turn into nights. Wake up and do it all again and never think. Put all your hopes onto a ship and let it sink. Don't try to get help from the voices of your peers, just mindless zombies talking shit that live in fear. Walk through your memories as you still live in the past, and hold on tight to them because they'll never last. Anxiety calls on me every day to play, to jump off from the deep end from the bridge in Mission Bay. I drift off to a world that's found only in dreams. I watch the clock stand still as time now follows me, just like a flower that blooms in the daylight. Now watch the world go round as days turn into night.
Thoughts belittle as the visions of my dreams are exiled to the void of my heart, relieving me to sleep forever. As I exclaim to the insomnia that invades my dreams, like, you're gonna keep me up at night, do me a favor, please kill me.